Hey, this is Brian Gambardella with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're going to look at a 2025 Sea Ray 32 Sundancer IO. This boat is powered by twin 350 Mercs. See your outdrives here. Boat has a cool submersible swim platform here. So when you're with friends and family, you're sitting on this thing, legs in the water, enjoying the sun. That's where this comes in handy. Let's get on board and take a look. So in the cockpit area of the 32 Dancer, you got plenty of seating. So this is your friends and family. You're on the way to Greenport. You're going to Louis in Port Washington. You got AC and heat up here. So this is going to extend your season on both sides in the spring and the fall. This is the place for entertaining, relaxing, socializing. You got a nice table pedestal that will go right here. You got a little summer kitchen set up with a grill, fridge, ice box, your garbage. You got a nice sink. You got sideboarding steps, so you pull up to that bulkhead at that restaurant. You can easily enter and exit off the side of the boat, which is nice. You got double wide helm station here. So you and your plus one can sit here nicely. You got a little air conditioning to your right side, right where the joystick is. And you know, when it's hot in the summer, you pull this canvas off, you got the wind blowing, everyone's having a good time, big smiles on their faces. That's what this boat is really for. Let's check the cabin down below. As we enter our cabin down here, on our port side, we got a microwave, refrigerator, a bit of storage underneath. As we look aft, you've got two single beds you could fill in there to make it a large full bed. So our starboard side, you've got our head, nice sink, and this is a wet head. You got storage underneath there. Our protected papers on our cabinetry right now. And you've got a nice mirror above the sink. As we turn forward, you've got a nice large V-berth. Right now you have our filler cushion in on our table. And you've got television there. Now here in the bow area, you've got 3 seats across with armrests. You got a table bracket up front there. And you got cup holders and audio control, which is very nice. If you're interested in the Sea Ray 32 Sundancer, contact us here at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.